hospital, give a fuck about a man. Broken boys out, I can spray the car down. I didn't let the cat, yeah, he killing in the field. Hey, he lost what it do? Hey. 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 Bang a nigga. Hey. Hood. Boys in the hood. Hey. Hey. Man. Yes, so. Alright. What's up with it, Mac? You already know, man. I'm in the dough. Alright. Let's go. Gonna hook up the homemade Philly cheese egg rolls, my bro. Bars. Already know me, man. We the best. Pop out. Bars. Hey, let me get my. Well, I'm talking about out, yeah. I is so sexy, you feel underrated. All ain't a lot of different colors, but she turned this right, yeah. You ain't gotta leave when you done spend the night. Take flight, take the ship to the bank, yeah. These points, we on by the lake. Oh, where you so face you that but a little way. Hey, bar, what's up with it, y'all? Yeah, look up the egg rolls, y'all. Let's go. Bars. Yeah, bars. What's up with it, y'all? How y'all doing? Oh no. Bars. Yeah, man. Bar, what's up with it? How you doing, Mac? You big head. Bars. Hey. Oh, damn, man. Hey. Yeah, make me some homemade Philly cheese steak egg rolls. Let's go. Hey. Yeah, look at yeah, check them out, y'all. Yeah, we the best. Bars, check out bars. Wait, yeah, going down over here. Bars, like Mike. Hey, ooh, that baby looking right there. Y'all see it? Bars, tap in, everybody. Hit that thumbs up. Bars, come on now, Miss Palmer. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, look at that one, y'all. Oh, they're going down. Bars. Yeah. Come on, hit the thumbs up. Shit free. Woohoo. We'll take that one out. I put all these damn commercials on shit. Yeah, them baby looking ready now. Bars. Woohoo. Oh Lord, I didn't push that one down at the bottom. Oh, yes, sir. Pop that rock there, y'all.